Okay, Miss Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay. Any objection to that?
Before we begin, hit subscribe and like this video for more real courtroom twists you won't believe. Now, court is in session. A woman stands before the judge with a serious request, child support, from the man she once planned to marry. They were engaged. The wedding was called off. But during that engagement, he legally adopted her 9-year-old son, Travis. That single signature changed everything. Now the relationship is over, yet the legal bond remains. The judge looks at both of them carefully. This isn't just a breakup story. This is about responsibility, law, and a child caught in between.
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid, Travis, he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you
right?
adopted Travis.
Yes, I did. Yes, I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left, and we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money.
Court begins with a serious claim. A woman stands before the judge asking for child support from her former fiancé. They were engaged. The wedding never happened. But during that engagement, the man legally adopted her 9-year-old son, Travis. That single decision changed everything. Adoption made him the legal father. Now the relationship is over, yet the responsibility remains. The mother's request is clear: financial support for her child. The judge listens carefully. This is no simple breakup. This is about legal obligation versus emotional fear. And the man sitting across the courtroom looks completely unprepared for what's about to unfold.
And
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
Yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Oh, thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome.
The man admits it. He adopted Travis. He is the legal father. But he insists he is not the biological parent. He explains they were planning a wedding when panic hit him hard. A month before the ceremony, he ran. He left no marriage, no family. He claims he doesn't earn much money and barely sees the child anymore. But the judge isn't focused on emotions. The law is simple. Adoption equals responsibility. Panic attacks do not erase fatherhood. The courtroom tension rises as the judge pushes him to understand that legal fatherhood carries real financial consequences.
I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before.
The judge cuts through the excuses. Delivering mail, being a nice guy, none of that matters here. What matters is the child. Travis is legally his son. Support is not optional. The judge demands clarity. Why no calls? Why no involvement? The mother reveals something deeper. The child asks about him at night before bed. That changes the atmosphere instantly. This is no longer about money. It's about emotional absence. The father looks shaken. Panic may have pushed him away from marriage, but it cannot erase the bond he created when he signed adoption papers.
Right before bed? I mean, you adopted him, so, you know.
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I
Are you
adopted.
mean to him? I mean, what's the? I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
As pressure builds, emotions shift. The mother's voice softens. She admits she still cares. She wants what's best for her son, and maybe for him too. The courtroom senses something unexpected. The judge pauses. Instead of focusing only on payments, she notices the unresolved feelings between them. The father looks conflicted. The mother looks hopeful. This case, which started as a demand for child support, slowly transforms into something else entirely. The judge asks the unthinkable, do they actually want to be together?
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to,
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your
Okay.
Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
sure.
sure.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Moffitt.
Then comes the twist no one predicted. The judge suggests a solution so simple it shocks everyone. Why not just get married? If they marry, child support disappears because they become one household again. The father still has the ring. The mother says yes. Right there in court, emotions explode into relief. What began as a legal dispute turns into an impromptu wedding ceremony. The judge performs it on the spot. Panic turns into commitment. Fear turns into unity. A courtroom built for conflict becomes a place of reconciliation in seconds.
Do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support. This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
With vows exchanged, the judge declares them married. No child support required. Case dismissed. A rare ending where law and love intersect. What started as responsibility enforced, by court ends as responsibility, embraced by choice. Moments like this remind us that courtroom drama is unpredictable. If you enjoyed this powerful story, make sure to subscribe, like, and share for more real-life legal twists. And if you'd like to discuss brand sponsorship opportunities, you can contact me directly at arhabshahid@gmail.com. I'll see you in the next intense courtroom breakdown.